So in the time since I laid the deposit down, we've got a few parts that I've purchased. Pack this box, start laying some shit out, so let's see what we've got. Volts. What's that one? Boost. Oil. Transmission. Fuel. So that'll be there, along with all those little. That's the plan. So I'm going to make a fascia up for it. And we got the auto pedal box recode. I chose a Mustang foot pedal. Now, I don't know how we're going to fit it on there. That's something I'll have to leave to you boys. The boys at Cars will be able to do that. Well, that's a switch for the boot. That'll go where the tacho went, shift light. And what's that one? That's the water. So that's all the gauges. Every gauge. And we've got the number plates, the cooler. Got the shifter. Fuel pump block off for stocky. I've got a fuel pressure gauge, moon one. Then we got the Holley Sniper fuel pump. What's that? That's my master cylinder, HQ master cylinder. Take that out. That's flash. Oops, all the brackets. No, that's the fuel pump. Righto. So that's the Holley Sniper fuel pump. That means that's the master cylinder. That's the master cylinder. Nice bit of kit. And that came today, which is the automatic master cylinder adapter for that. That's from the rod shop. That's shit. Oh, spare rubbers. Front shocks, conies, and the B&M shifter. Yeah, so that's the shifter and the cooler for the auto. All the gauges, pedal box, master cylinder adapter and master cylinder, and the start of the, what's the fuel pump for the start of the fuel system, however we go about it. So got some bits.